Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. What in the world to make today? I was thinking maybe a salad, maybe start with some romaine lettuce, top that with some rotisserie chicken, pack a ton of great goodies on top and some crispy crunchy things. Ooh, and then we can toss it in our great sesame ginger vinaigrette that we featured last month. You know what? That sounds just like a Chinese chicken salad. If only I'd seen the shop before, all these great ingredients lying here before me, and, well, these three words on this sign. Huh. Y'all ready? Let's bring it. So what you're gonna need is romaine lettuce, a rotisserie chicken breast, green onions, snow peas, coleslaw mix, mandarin orange slices, crispy wontons, sliced almonds, sesame seeds, and our sesame ginger vinaigrette. The recipe's available on our website. You'll also need a big old bowl and a sharp knife. Salad is boring. Cherry tomato, ring of onion, croutons. Huh? What? Who says salad has to be boring? Oh, not if it features really great textures and flavors and a really good dressing. Now, if you haven't checked out our episodes in June, go watch them. We feature 4 really amazing tiny kitchen salad dressings that you can whip up in your kitchen in literally just a couple of minutes. Now, one of those is our sesame ginger vinaigrette that works really well on this Chinese chicken salad. Now, I am in love with this salad because it uses a lot of pre-made ingredients that you can pick up very easily at the grocery store so that you can whip this salad up in no time flat. One of those is romaine lettuce. Now you can save even more time, buy it prepackaged. I ain't gonna judge, but we're using a head today that I'm going to cut vertically. Give it a turn and then cut off some bite-sized pieces. Transfer that to our big old bowl. To the romaine, we're gonna add our shredded coleslaw mix. Now this is a combination of regular cabbage and purple cabbage. Also has some carrots in there. Add some additional color to the salad. Next, we're gonna shred our rotisserie chicken breast. Now this is just a rotisserie chicken that I got in the deli section at the grocery store. I just cut off the breast. We're gonna peel back the skin here. And then just take a fork and go ahead and shred off some bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and arrange that right on top of our salad. Next, we're gonna slice up our green onions. We'll just take the tip off at the end. And I'm just gonna slice a few of these right up to that midsection. We'll throw those right over the salad. And then we're gonna finally slice the other end of the green onion. We're gonna use this as a garnish. We'll go ahead and set that aside in our cute little ramekin here. Next, we're gonna slice up our pea pods. I'm going to cut these into little matchsticks, also known as julienne. Cut them right in half. Then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle those right on top of the salad as well. That's the toughest part. Next, we're just going to top this with mandarin oranges. Now you can find these in the canned fruit section of your grocery store. Sprinkle some sliced almonds right on top. This gives a little extra crunch. And then I will throw some of these great crispy wontons. You can find these right by the salad section in your grocery store. I'm gonna throw these right on top. Could not be easier. And then throw some of our green onions that we saved as a garnish right here in the center. Sprinkle some sesame seeds all around, and then we'll dress it up. So check this out. We are gonna dress it up with our sesame ginger vinaigrette. We'll give it a toss. We'll give it a taste. Y'all, that is not a boring salad. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that if I can make a Chinese chicken salad in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. So not boring. Toss it in our great ginger sesame, and then we could toss it in our great sesame ginger grit. And well, frankly, these three weren't, and frankly, these three.